Happy Thanksgiving from our family to yours. Today is football. We're cooking some turkey. I have the day off. First job in a while that was closed on Thanksgiving, so I'm so grateful for that. I'm grateful for everybody out there, all my subscribers, my OG subscribers. I love you guys. I hope everybody has an amazing Thanksgiving. But let's watch some football. We got one sports bet on the line. Looking good so far, but we'll see what happens. We got the Packers to lose by 7 and over 45 points. Into the first half, so it's halftime right now. Then we have Cowboys and 49ers. So let's take the victory home. Let's have a great day. I hope everybody has an amazing Thanksgiving and enjoys it with their family. And then next holiday, Christmas, we're going to be on the strip back again. We already have our hotel room. We're still decided where we're going to have our Christmas dinner, but we're going to take you guys on the journey. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe. finally did it. After getting absolutely annihilated the whole football season, we finally hit a ticket. On Thanksgiving, $210 profit and 85 cents on a $17 bet. So that's amazing. Food was awesome. We just chilled at the house, did a traditional Thanksgiving dinner. Thank you guys. I love each and every one of you guys. Christmas will be on the strip, and we're gonna make some other cool videos in the meantime between then and now. I have a new job, working a bunch of crazy hours. Tomorrow's Black Friday. It's a sales job that I do, so I'm gonna be extremely busy. I have a 12-hour shift in store for me. So I'm about to head to bed. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Love you guys. Thank you all for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully you enjoyed it with your family, and we'll see you for the next journey.